Former governor of Edo State and APC senatorial candidate for Edo North Senatorial District joined the thousands of Edo sons and daughters who will celebrate this year Igue ceremony for the palace of the Oba of Benin on Tuesday. The jubilation entered another level as them see the former governor land for palace to celebrate. Comrade Oshiomhole come pay homage to Omonoba Nedo Ukwu Akpolokpolo, Oba Igue II, Oba of Benin. Comrade Oshiomhole went Chukma to TMC Tori people talk saying blessed with Amwela as fit celebrate this year Igue festival with Edo people.
My blessed with well because it don't take the time where I be there here, where I be they work for as governor. Now every year we they take celebrate them. So it could be say after a long time, this is the first one I'm attending. After I leave office. So it suit me for Bele well. That is why today I leave my village. I say, whether road no good, I must to come here. And as I enter, I see many people I know. I see many people where I don't know. And I see the happiness in the face of the people towards me. I see elderly women pray for me, elderly men pray for me, young people and so on. My belly is sweet. I said to God, now only you feed one. Because it be as you go there for government, you go forget say power. Now God hand it day, not day for man hand. And if you no come use that well, when you go no day again, you go come, they look back, you go won't cry. When you go they pass, people they curse you, people they take on a corner eye look you. But when you don't finish office, people need to take on a corner eye look you, that they look you, that they happy, that they call your name, that they pray for you. You have to thank God.
On top of the return of stolen artifacts, Oshiomhole can talk say.
For my belly, I dey thank the Oba of Omonoba Nedo Ukwu Akpolokpolo, Oba Igue II. He don't take his hand, revive all the culture and all the great tradition of the kingdom. And my belly, the sweet say this year, they do festival where they don't return some of the tea where they thief, where Oyibo people thief from this palace, where they call them artifact, where they carry go. God don't catch them, they don't return some of them. And so I think, for my mind, say this year, we celebrate the festival, we go celebrate as God don't catch these people who thief from here to oversee. They don't begin to talk with their thief. Now God do. So we thank God, we thank our ancestors, we thank His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Ukwu Akpolokpolo Oba Igue II.
Comrade Oshiomhole constantly talk say the celebration of this year Igue festival could bring peace and unity, come Edo and Nigeria.
They pray for peace, they pray for unity, they pray for better, make it come to our land. They pray, make sickness no come, make person no suffer, bad thing no happen for Edo Kingdom. So, if I know say many people they way no get food to eat, people they way no get work to do. But if we get health, we know the sick. We go no say one day hope will go come. What we no get today, God will bring them tomorrow. And I pray that in the spirit of Igue, what we no get before, who no get work, make God help and get work. Who no get food, make God help and get food. Because now so happiness will come. And I happy say people come gather in the house of our father, the Oba, and the prayer of the chiefs and of everybody to God. I shall say God and ancestor they go answer. And life go better and peace go reign for our land.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PV should not be your power. Listen, I'm giving a politician on the election day.